Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix could not add card to Apple Pay. If you are using any iPhone and you are having this type issue that you could not add card app to your Apple Pay, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to any internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. And you have to go to your settings and then go for general, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if your VPN is connected you have to try to disconnect with your VPN. Then tap on your Apple ID, and here you just have to wait for the next screen, and from here you have to select this payment and shipping option, and then you have to verify yourself with your Apple ID password or Face ID. Once I have verified, you will get this type screen. Here you have to simply add this information about your credit card or debit card, or you can select PayPal if you have. And once you have selected or entered these information, simply tap on this run option, and your card and payment card will be successfully added to your Apple Pay. So in this way, you can easily fix if you are unable to add your card to your Apple Pay. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.